So you can get that open.
Whoa.
So essentially what we're doing here, we thought instead of trying to find out just how high this could go if we used a whole pack of Mentos and Diet Coke, we'd actually tried two different types of Mentos. We've got the fruit Mentos and the mint Mentos. And I think we're gonna start with fruit first. You good, buddy?
Yeah.
You can stand over there. Fashioned up this very high-tech device that you could potentially build at home. I built mine in a highly skilled lab where we've used sticky tape and paper so that we can get the Mentos to actually go into the bottle. Fruit first. I'm just assuming I'm on the camera. I'm David, this is Sarah. Come in. Come in. There you go. You really wave.
I'm scared of it.
So.
Oh, one dropped.
Oh no, I've lost the whole packet.
There's one down here.
It's going well. Currently got 2 splinters. So what we've currently got here is 14 Mentos, and apparently these are a little bit smoother than the mint ones, and apparently it's the roughness of the surface that actually helps it develop. So we'll measure both the contents of the bottles once we're done with these. You ready, buddy? You ready?
Are they even going in?
Test one, fruit Mentos. This is clearly not built in a lab. How'd that go, bud? Like here?
Man, that guy has pro skills.
Oh no!
It's the regular mint Mentos that we're working with now.
Oh, there's a flower.
I'm actually going to say that I was a little underwhelmed.
Sure, the diet is the trick.
Yeah, apparently diet's the trick. So I'm just talking to the crowd. It's quite a big turnout here today. 14 mint Mentos.
If they all go in.
Hashtag science. You ready? It's a lot harder than it looks, kids. From there, which was better?
The first one.
I feel like number 2.
It's like he wasn't even watching.
Now we can compare the results of what's actually left. Oh, hold on.
It went up.
We compare the results of what's actually left in the bottle, and that'll give us a good indication of which may have worked better. I would not say this is scientifically valid. Just stepped in wallaby poop.
Oh.
This is the second one, wasn't it?
Yeah, that
so
was
this is with the mint. So this is the mint. It's a lot higher than the fruit. So rumor was that the fruit actually worked better. So based on this very in-depth lab-based experiment, which one do you reckon worked better?
Fruit.
Fruit.
This is less.
Fruit it is. Do a drink.
I don't like Coke.
This
Well,
one's,
I've never had Coke.
this one's mint though.
So what researchers think is happening here with this Coke and Mentos reaction is what they call nucleation. So each of these Mentos, even though you can't see it, are covered in tiny little craters. So imagine like a tiny version of the surface of the moon, and each of these little craters is what they call a nucleation site. What happens here is carbon dioxide that's inside the bottle can get into the nucleation site and turn into a gas and then immediately escape. So because the Mentos is sitting on the bottom of the bottle and it has all these little craters all over it, all this carbon dioxide is turned into gas really rapidly and trying to force its way out of the bottle. And because it's at the bottom, it's pushing the Coke out the top in the process as the gas tries to escape. The reason they think this is more effective with some versions of Mentos than others is some have a smooth coating on them, so it reduces the amount of tiny little craters that are on there and there's less nucleation sites overall. And this is why we think one of these Mentos today will actually have a better effect than the other.